guys, I'm back again with another video. And I'm waiting for it to go green. Oh, go on. And that's not gonna go. And I think today I'm gonna just answer a few questions on. Come on, you asshole. On fucking I had it 2 seconds ago. Oh yeah, why you should own a bike. That's it. Well, the first thing that I found from all these years of riding is it's so much fun. Honest to God. It's absolutely brilliant. And you can always meet new people as well. Like, like a fucking, I don't know, you ever meet to be honest, bikes are just the best. But yeah, I think that bikes are a great way, fucking do like this, you having to waste the fucking time or whatever, the bike will set you free. But a lot of people are like, okay, you're gonna be absolutely nothing in this video, there's just so much wind. But anyway, I'll keep talking.
Oh my god!
And now you understand, that is how you feel every day when you drive a bike. Another thing, there's no such thing as traffic jams if you want to bike. To a certain extent, obviously. There is still obviously going to be traffic, but you're not going to be sitting twiddling your thumbs or on your phone for 15 to 20 minutes in the traffic. You can just go around or whatever. But obviously, if the light goes green, obviously you can, because you're fucking flat. Because everyone isn't quite aware if you hadn't noticed. It's a bit. So they're not. But that's not your fault, because Ireland is not the most popular place for bikes, as you can imagine. And, I don't know, I think it's mainly because we don't have the fucking weather. That's it. That'd be one of the main reasons that there isn't a lot of bikes in Ireland, is the weather is absolutely fucking brutal. Like today is going to absolutely pour rain, I can guarantee you that, and I'm not even halfway home, I'm not even out of Cork yet. That's why people don't drive bikes. With me, well, there's a few, like, but then there's a few people that only drive their bikes when it's sunny. I'm not one of them people. We have an already grass and that, a lot of bikes. already seen that I drive my bike in any kind of rain or whatever. that it takes 2 hours in the car to go to work rather than an hour and 20 on the bike, I think I take the bike in the rain. Unless it's like been absolutely thunderstorms all night and then there could be floods. And that's just not fucking ideal, like. There you go. Do you know, like you seen that other video. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Oh look, we're gonna be in the news! Some stupid shit, and that'll beat into you, to be honest. I'd say, because like, especially my roads, like the roads I drive are pretty shit. Like, to be honest, like a tractor will put out of you within a fucking second, like, and you're not gonna fucking see it, like, not a hole. There's no way you're gonna see it. Like, it will have pulled out by the time you lift up your head to realise it's there, and that's the truth. Like. Anyway, the Sena Donok. The Sena doesn't connect to the camera, so I have to get. Oh, I did say that actually. I have to get that stupid little box. Anyway, the Sena Donok. The Sena doesn't connect to the camera, so I have to get. Oh, I did say that actually. I have to get that stupid little box. People to be looking at you because they think you're talking to yourself, but you're actually not talking to yourself. You're actually talking to 13 subscribers now. Well, I'm talking to 13 subscribers. So, no, I'm not saying okay. The dog. Door. Yeah. I love dogs. Any dog. Except for the small Jack Russells. I don't know, they're vicious motherfuckers. Go. But anyway, flying away home now. As I was saying, yeah, you're not really talking to it. Well, you are. See, that's the thing, like, when you're talking to yourself, you're kind of like it's strange. It was strange at the start, but now I'm just kind of used to it. You are literally talking to yourself. But obviously you're not talking to yourself. Well, you are and you aren't, like, because you're going to hear me whenever you see it. I'm not going to say no, like, you're not going to say no, whatever. You're going to see it, you're going to hear this when you see it, whatever. But yeah, you kind of have to get used to it. Because at the start you're like, this is weird. People are going to think I'm fucking nuts. But yeah, you have to get kind of used to it. I'm nuts. I'm trying to anyone who knows me knows that. And I might not be nuts at the start until you find out. So yeah, always expect the unexpected. Always watch the quiet ones. You. Nice. Look.
Hello there.
Okay, so if I say hello, I'll activate the scene. Okay. It's good to know. That's cool too, though. It is awesome, though. That you can activate by voice. Just honestly, not many things can activate by can activate by my voice. Huh? Steve. Hey, Cena. Cena. Nah, of course it wouldn't fucking work when I wanted to, didn't I? Hello. Nah.